Hello, welcome back to our simple home. Today we are making a plum cake recipe with a meringue hood. My sister always used to bake this cake and I always loved it. I washed the plums, I cut it in half and removed the stone. Then I quarter the plums and I need 750 grams of plums. Once I prepared all the plums, I start with the dough. I divide the egg white from the egg yolk from 2 eggs. I place the egg white into a tall container so I can easily whisk the egg white, and I place both egg yolks into my mixing bowl. Once I divided both eggs, I add 3 more eggs into my mixing bowl. I add 75 grams of sugar and 150 grams of soft butter. I mix it well for about 3 minutes. Then I add 200 grams of marzipan or almond paste. I prefer to cut it in chunks so I can easily mix it. I mix it again. I add 250 grams all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I transfer the dough into a 22 centimeter springform pan. I spread the dough with my spatula until everything is even and smooth. Then I add the 750 grams of quartered plums. I pat the plums a little bit so they are nice and tight in there. I place the cake into my preheated oven and bake it for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, I add a pinch of salt to my 2 egg whites and then whisk the egg white for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and fluffy and it doesn't plop out when you turn it over. Be careful not to make a mess. Then I add 150 grams of sugar little by little while whisking the egg white. If you enjoyed my videos so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Once I incorporated all the sugar into the meringue, I add the meringue on top of the cake that I baked for 45 minutes. I spread the meringue nice and evenly. At the end, I dab it with my spatula so it has ups and downs and it looks interesting. Then I bake the cake for another 15 minutes. Once baked, I let it cool off completely. I use a knife to loosen the cake from the cake pan. I carefully take off the springform rim and help with the knife if needed. Then I transfer the cake to my cake plate and carefully remove the parchment paper. Now I will cut the cake and show you the cake from the inside. Voila, and this is the plum cake with a meringue hood. Thank you for watching.